Hello, this is your instructor, Lori Kornblum speaking, and I am welcoming you to ZERD 204. This is the class that you are taking this fall to teach you how to do career essentials. Just a little bit about me. If you want to know about me, you can look at faculty information. This is a picture of me. Please note that because we are operating in a completely virtual environment, any office hours would be by appointment. Please contact me by email, which is here, or send me a course message, which is here, and I will get in touch with you. If you want to send me a course message, just click on course messages. You would create a message to, it would be to me as the instructor, and you can just say hello and explain what your issue is or what you want to talk to me about. I then get it in my inbox. I then say, aha, I have a message, but I'm going to delete that right now. The course messages are great because they're an internal email. So this video is really just to explain how this course works. The syllabus is posted under Syllabus, and it is a 3-week class from October 18th to November 8th. Is divided into 6 units. 1, 2, and 3 are the first week, 4 and 5 are the second week, and 6 is the third week. So there will be assignments in each unit. You can work ahead, but please go in order of the course. Do not jump around. You can always find out when things are due by clicking on the due date calendar. You click on October, you can see there's something due October 25th. This would be the discussion board. For you, it would take you to the discussion board. For me, it's about editing the discussion board. So for any of these weeks, you would then look at the due dates. And I see we have some duplicate due dates, which I will eliminate before you even get this. Your weekly assignments are under weekly assignments, and at the top I have a checklist for career essentials, which you will find helpful as the class goes on. So you click on week 1, and first you have unit 1. This video will be posted under unit 1. You will have a discussion board on introducing yourself. Keep in mind that all discussion boards, the parent post or your main post is due on Thursday night. Your responses to 2 classmates are due by Sunday night. So if you click here, you'll go to discussion board. You would then click on discussion board, and I created a thread, hello from your instructor. You should create your own threads by putting your last name and then a title. We're going to go back to the weekly assignments. So you're still in week 1. You'll have week 1 things going on. Then unit 2, you will have some reading and learning materials which are designed to get you to know some things about career essentials. And then you will also have assessments for week 2. So this is the only quiz in week 2, which is a substantive quiz. I also have a 2-point quiz, which is really just a question whether you have access to Blackboard or WIDS. That's it for the quizzes. Then you will have unit 3 actual assessments. There will be specific reading and learning materials for that and assessments. Now note, you should know how to use Blackboard by now, but if you don't, just keep in mind that you always want to see that table of contents. Sometimes your table of contents jumps around. I like it on the left-hand side. This is what moves it from the left-hand side to the bottom, that little arrow. You can make it smaller by going like that. If you do not see the table of contents on the left, you should click on that bigger box so that you can see it, and then you can click through and get easily to any of these folders. Please note that some of your assessments are Google Docs. So you would click to the Google Doc. You will not be able to edit directly on the Google Doc. So what you have to do is File. You want to download it as Microsoft Word. You will download it, and then you will work in Microsoft Word. I'm going to bring up Microsoft Word. So you will work in Microsoft Word. You will save it as another file and then submit it. But please do not ask me for sharing permissions for these Google Docs because I won't share that with you. Sorry, but if everybody edited my assignments, it would be really a mess. Okay? So that's week 1, and then again you'll have week 2. You have 2 units in week 2. You have a discussion board. I am going to take this out because what happened was that the quiz was hidden in week 1. I am so unit 4 is selecting or building a career essential, and again we have assessments. We have assessments for week 4, unit 4 rather, and then we have assessments for unit 5, grading assessments with linked career essentials. And then we have some assessments in week 6, or week 3 rather. We have unit 6. You'll have reading materials and assessments for unit 6. I do this by units because sometimes I split them up. And really the class is very self-explanatory and very self-paced. However, I will be happy to help you. I know some people are more experienced with Blackboard than others. This does assume some working knowledge of Blackboard, and I will be happy to help you. Unfortunately, we cannot meet in person due to the virtual nature of this class. However, I can set up a video sharing meeting with you, and we can do that. Anyway, I look forward to being your instructor. Bye-bye, and see you in a few weeks.